Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy homemade sweet potato chaat. First, take some sweet potatoes and place them in a pressure cooker. Add enough water to cook them properly. Close the lid and cook on a medium flame for about 4 to 5 whistles until the sweet potatoes become soft and tender. Once they are cooked, let them cool slightly. Then peel off the skin and cut them into small bite-sized pieces. Now, take a frying pan and add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. Allow the ghee to warm up for a few seconds. Add the chopped sweet potatoes to the pan and mix them well so they are evenly coated with the ghee. A delicious and nutritious snack that can be a great addition to your weight loss journey. Meanwhile, let's prepare some roasted peanuts. Take another pan, add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee, and roast the peanuts until they turn light golden brown and become crunchy. Once the peanuts are roasted, add them to the sweet potatoes and mix everything well. To make this chaat even more flavorful and nutritious, add some fresh pomegranate seeds and finely chopped coriander leaves. Finally, squeeze some fresh lemon juice over the top. This adds a refreshing, tangy flavor that enhances the overall taste. And that's it! Your healthy, homemade sweet potato chaat is ready. It's affordable, delicious, rich in fiber, and can be a great snack option for anyone on a weight loss journey. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.